Welcome to Zhangu Customs and Traditions. Today I want to hold your hand and walk you on a journey where we immerse ourselves in the vibrant world of Shona art and craftsmanship, where ancient traditions meet modern creativity and spirits of the land come alive in stone, wood, and fabric. What is Shona art and craftsmanship like? The Shona people live in Zimbabwe and are known for their beautiful art and crafts. They have been making art for many years, passing their skills from parents to children. Stone sculptures. One of the most famous Shona artworks is stone sculpture. Artists carve stone to make animals, people, and spiritual figures. They use a special stone called serpentine, which is soft and easy to shape. These sculptures are sold all over the world. Shona art and craftsmanship are known for their beauty, elegance, and cultural significance. The Shona people of Zimbabwe have a rich artistic heritage that spans centuries. Their artwork is characterized by intricate designs, symbolism, and exceptional craftsmanship. Shona stone sculptures are perhaps the most iconic and celebrated form of Shona art. These sculptures are crafted from various types of stone, including serpentine, spring stone, and opal stone. Skilled artisans carefully select and shape the stone to create intricate and expressive pieces. First, let's look at Shona art and craftsmanship. Shona art and craftsmanship are known for their beauty, elegance, and cultural significance. The Shona people of Zimbabwe have a rich artistic heritage that spans centuries. Their artwork is characterized by intricate designs, symbolism, and exceptional craftsmanship. Let's look at the techniques involved. Shona stone sculptors employ various techniques, including hand carving, chiseling, and polishing. These methods require great skill, patience, and attention to detail. And what does this art symbolize? Stone sculptures often show ancestral figures, mythological creatures, and abstract designs. These symbols pass important messages about Shona culture, about spirituality and history. Artistic expression. Shona stone sculptures are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also convey the artist's emotions, the artist's thoughts and experiences. Each piece is a unique expression of the artist's inner world. Wood carving. Shona craftsmen carve wood to make walking sticks, drums, and masks. These carvings are decorated with patterns that tell stories about their culture. Shona wood carvings are another notable aspect of their artistic heritage. Skilled wood carvers create intricate and beautiful pieces from various types of wood, including mopane, musasa, and baobab. Shona wooden carvers employ traditional techniques such as hand carving and chiseling. These methods require great skill and attention to detail as well. And wood carvings often show ancestral figures, they show animals and abstract designs. These symbols pass the important messages about Shona culture, about Shona spirituality, and Shona history. Shona wood carvings are not only pleasing to see, they also convey the artistic emotions, thoughts, and expressions. So the other form of art is textiles. Shona textiles are a vibrant and expressive aspect of their artistic heritage. Skilled artisans create beautiful and intricate designs using natural fibers such as cotton, wool, and silk. Shona textile artists employ traditional techniques such as hand weaving, dyeing, and embroidery. These methods require great skill, patience, and attention to detail. They symbolize ancestral figures, mythological creatures, and abstract designs, just like the other artistic expressions. So Shona art and craftsmanship are a testament to the creativity, skill, and cultural richness of the Shona people. Their stone sculptures, wood carvings, and textiles are not only beautiful works of art, but also convey important messages about Shona culture, Shona spirituality, and Shona history. By appreciating and supporting Shona art, we can help preserve their cultural heritage and promote cross-cultural understanding. So the next thing I want to do is to give you examples of Shona art and craftsmanship. Stone sculptures. There is the African Queen. This is a stunning stone sculpture that shows a regal African woman crafted from black serpentine stone. And we have also a stone sculpture called the Thinker, a thought-provoking sculpture showing a man deep in thoughts carving from springstone. And then there's a mother and child, a heartwarming sculpture depicting a mother cradling a child crafted from opal stone. So we also have examples of wood carvings like the Shona mask. It's an intricately carved wooden mask adorned with traditional Shona symbols and patterns. And there is also an African drama, a vibrant wood carving showing a drama in action crafted from opane wood. And then Shona figurine, which is a beautifully crafted wooden figurine depicting a Shona woman carved from Musasa wood. And also in terms of textiles, we have the Shona print, which is a stunning textile print featuring traditional Shona designs and patterns created using natural dyes. And we also have the African batik, which is a vibrant textile depicting African motifs and symbols crafted using traditional techniques. And then Shona Embroidery, a beautifully embroidered textile showing intricate Shona designs and patterns created using traditional embroidery techniques. And basket weaving. Shona women are very good at weaving baskets. They use grass, reeds, and palm leaves to make baskets for carrying food and other items. The baskets have beautiful patterns and are strong. Shona basket, a stunning basket woven from natural fibers featuring traditional Shona designs and patterns. And then African winnowing basket, a beautifully crafted winnowing basket used for separating grain from chaff. Shona container, a beautiful woven container used for storing food or other household items. Beadwork and jewelry. Shona people make colorful necklaces, bracelets, and earrings using beads. Some beads are made from seeds, bones, or stones. People wear these for beauty and special ceremonies. Shona art is very special because it shows their history, beliefs, and way of life. It is an important part of their culture and is loved by people all over the world. Shona necklace, a stunning necklace featuring traditional Shona beads and designs crafted from natural materials. African earrings, a beautifully crafted pair of earrings featuring traditional African motifs and symbols. Shona bracelet, a vibrant bracelet featuring traditional Shona designs and patterns crafted from natural materials. Pottery. Shona people also make pots from clay. These pots are used for cooking and storing water. Women shape the clay by hand and bake it in fire to make it hard. Some pots have designs that show the beauty of nature. These examples showcase the diversity and richness of Shona art and craftsmanship, highlighting the skill and creativity of Shona artists. So now let's discuss the impact of colonialism on Shona art and culture. Colonialism had a profound impact on Shona art and culture, leading to suppression of traditional practices. Colonial powers suppressed traditional Shona art forms, deeming them primitive or uncivilized. Imposition of Western values. Colonialism imposed Western values and artistic styles, leading to a decline in traditional Shona art forms. Loss of cultural heritage. Many traditional Shona art pieces were destroyed, stolen, or taken to Western museums, leading to a loss of cultural heritage. Assimilation and cultural erosion. Colonialism led to the erosion of Shona cultural identity, as traditional practices and art forms were replaced by Western influences. So we just want to reflect on the effect on Shona artists themselves. So colonialism had a devastating impact on Shona artists because it led to loss of livelihood. So many Shona artists lost their livelihoods as traditional art forms were suppressed. Cultural dislocation. Shona artists were forced to adapt to Western artistic styles, leading to cultural dislocation. Stifling of creativity. Colonialism stifled Shona artistic creativity as artists were forced to conform to Western standards. The resilience of Shona art. Despite the devastating impact of colonialism, Shona art and culture have shown remarkable resilience with the revival of traditional practices. Efforts have been made to revive traditional Shona art forms such as stone sculpture and wood carving. Fusion of traditional and modern styles. Shona artists have begun to fuse traditional and modern styles, creating a unique and vibrant artistic identity. Preservation of cultural heritage. Efforts have been made to preserve Shona cultural heritage, including the restoration of traditional art pieces and the documentation of Shona artist traditions. So the impact of colonialism on Shona art and culture has been profound, but the resilience of Shona artists and the preservation of cultural heritage have ensured the continued vibrance of Shona art. Shona art and craftsmanship today. Shona people still make beautiful art and crafts, but some things have changed. Today, they use both old and new ways to create their artwork. Many artists sell their work in Zimbabwe and other countries. Modern stone sculptures. Shona stone sculptures are still very famous. Artists now use better tools to carve more detailed designs. Some sculptures are very big and placed in gardens or museums. People from all over the world buy these sculptures. New designs in basket weaving. Shona women continue to weave baskets, but now they make new patterns and colors to attract more buyers. Some baskets are used for decoration in homes, not just for carrying things. Wood carving for tourists. Shona craftsmen now carve wooden items like key holders, small statues, and masks for tourists. Visitors buy these as souvenirs when they visit Zimbabwe. Modern pottery. People still make clay pots, but some artists now paint them with bright colors. Some pots are used for decoration, while others are still used for cooking and storing water. Jewelry and fashion. Shona beadwork has changed it too. Now artists make modern jewelry that people wear with everyday clothes. They also use new materials like glass and metal. Selling art online. Many Shona artists now sell their work on the internet. This helps them reach more customers from other countries. Some even share videos to show how they make their art. Even with these changes, Shona art still keeps its deep meaning and beauty. It continues to tell stories about their culture, traditions, and way of life. I'm going to leave you with some information on how to purchase or commission Shona art pieces. Galleries. Visit reputable galleries specializing in African art, such as the National Gallery of Zimbabwe or the African Art Gallery in New York. The other place to check out for art pieces is online marketplaces. Explore online marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, which feature Shona art pieces from various sellers. So you can also contact the artist direct. Purchase directly from the Shona artists or their representatives, ensuring authenticity and fair prices. Also, the other place to check is auctions. Attend auctions featuring African art, such as those held by Christie's or Sotheby's. Or if you want to call, say if you are interested in commissioning Shona art, what you need to do is to contact local artists. You can reach out to local Shona artists or their representatives to discuss commissioning a piece. or you can get in touch with artistic collaborations. Collaborate with Shona artists to create a unique piece that reflects your vision and their expertise. So you need to specify requirements, clearly communicate your requirements such as size, material, and theme to ensure the artist create a piece that meets your expectations. So, and then you need to agree on pricing. You need to negotiate a fair price with the artist, considering factors like material costs, time, and expertise. So that's it for today. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, and share.